and true. What's music and true.
सो हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अभी हम चला रहे हैं ट्रैम की टाइगर। सो दिस इज 2019 मॉडल टाइगर which belongs to my friend Tejas, who is also having a YouTube channel. ओके, आई थिंक मैं नहीं बोला तो ही ठीक हूँ। So this bike has also installed Baja lights. Woo! So after the installation of the lights, I think there is no need of headlights. So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am on back road, Malad back road, and I am riding this very sweet Tram Tiger XCX. Yes, it belongs to one of my friend Tejas partner. Yes, so if you have followed me on Instagram, you may very well know it. So हम लोग बस आज मीट एंड ग्रीट था हम लोग का बहुत दिनों बाद, एक्चुअली आफ्टर 2 months। तो बोला तो भाई ने बहुत खर्चा किया हुआ है, थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस किए हुए हैं बाइक्स पे, लाइक इट हैज़ एन एरो एग्जॉस्ट नाउ एंड विच यू कैन सी इट हैज़ अ बाजा लाइट्स नाउ। सो okay, so I'm turned off that Baja lights now. So to just get a clarity how the Baja lights are. Okay, so now let's turn on the Baja lights. I know my mind is very like no I don't have a words actually. So although it's a very different experience to ride these bikes, like this comes under adventure category. thought to make a video about this. The gear shifting, it's very smooth. See, it's that smooth. Now it's in the third gear. So that's it for today. So I think that's it for today. I hope you have liked the video. If you are not and not subscribed, if you are new to channel, please subscribe to the channel. Yes. So let's start the ride. Yes, चालू है. कल ही लिया. हाँ, फायर ब्लेड घर पे रखा है, गैरेज में है. उसको निकालने का चाहिए तो कोई कस्टमर है तो बोल देना. ओके ओके, ठीक है. चलो चलो, बाय. नाइस टू मीट यू.